Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing to you the Tartest Pro Remix, and I've done an eyeshadow look with this, and obviously I am going to show you how I recreated this look. I think it's stunning myself. I stepped out of my comfort zone for this one. Don't generally do greens. Yeah, it's a nice one and I do really like it. It goes very well with what I'm wearing today. Nice little top, even though it's winter, I know, but I'm boat roasting. As soon as I ordered this palette, I was like, I need to do a tutorial. And I wanted to do something that was way out of my comfort zone, and this is what I've got. I'm also going to now swatch the palette for you, and then we will get into the tutorial after the swatches. So guys, this is what the palette looks like. It has got a very big mirror on it. It's as big as the entire palette. So it smells of coconut. I just thought I'd stick it in my face. It does smell of coconut. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start across the top row and go across like that. So that is the first 5 colours. The next 5 colours down, so it goes there, and this black I had to re-swatch over. So we've got the next, it's like a transition colour, and it goes down, and this is like a purple, a black with a purple shift. So I'm hoping it picks it up. And then we've got the bottom row. From the red, there is a gold, the light gold, then the pink, and it goes down. So there are the next 2 rows of them. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm in love with it. These went on like a dream, so it's so nice. They're buttery soft, they blend, they do everything. So here is me applying this said eye look, and I hope you enjoy it. So guys, everything that's on my face will be linked down below, and I will be going in. Don't know what I'm going to create yet. I'm just going to prime my lids with the Too Faced eye primer, and I think first of all I'm going in with this shade here just to put all over my lid. So that's got some pigment in. So I'm not putting it all over my lids, I'm just gonna put it like halfway. And I'm going out my comfort zone now. I'm going to do a green eye, I think. So I'm going to go in with this green just here and lightly run that through my crease. And I'm just really, I'm taking my time with this colour and just blending it in the crease, but not going all the way down. because this is actually like a shimmer shade. So I'm sort of spreading it and then blend into that nice brown. And you don't need a lot on your brush, you really don't. Slow and steady wins the way, but race, as they say. Because these are a shimmer, they're not blending. So I am then going to take this green here on a small packer brush and just put it on the outer part of my eye to deepen up that. Oh, that's pigment. And I'm just packing it on. Oh, that's nice. I'm actually going to put this on the inner part of my eyes as well and do like a halo. And I'm really just like stamping it and putting it on. I'm not blending at all. Oh, that's stunning. Oh, that looks so nice. Then taking that first shade of the green and then I'm just going to slightly blend the two together. I just don't know what to say this. And take that dark part and just put it on my lower lash line, just a tad. With a clean blending brush, I'm going in with the first shade that I used, which was mixed media, and just doing a little bit more blending up here. And I've literally only got the slightest bit on my brush. And then I'm going to take splatter, which is this one here, on my finger and put it in the middle of my eye. So, yes. Swipe in and pattern. These are so creamy soft. With another little brush, I'm going to go underneath with the same colour that I've just used. This goes on just as well with the brush as it does with your finger. So I'm taking the Essence Green and just gonna pop that in my lower lash line. I think once I've got everything on, this won't look so bad. I like it. It's unusual for me. Or a dream to blend, and they still hold their colour. I am super duper shocked at that. So then I'm going to go into my MAC and do some bronzing. Yeah, one moment there. Bronzing, and that. Oh, that is such a nice colour for my skin tone. Going to use the blush out of here. I don't know why I don't buy more MAC stuff, you know, because these are lovely. And then I'm just going to use the highlighter as well like this, Just that is really nice. I'm impressed with this. I'm impressed with this. Boom. I think it looks really nice. I'm going to get just a light gold to put on my inner part of my eye, and on my eye, this part, just have a little bit of the revolution. So I'm just going to put some mascara on, guys, and then find a lip colour. So I think I'm going to try this other beauty one. Yeah. So guys, hope you like this look. It's very different for me, but I really like it. I really do like it. So and the eyes are bold and a nice nude lip. I'm happy. So this, you know, I'm just happy. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you do and you like this look and you think I should do bolder looks like this, then let me know in the comments below. And also guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget, hit the thumbs up. And there's cat tail again. Hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.